Okay, we will continue with the session. Today is SDLC actually. SDLC, the full form is Development Life Cycle. This is the full form of SDLC. Software Development Life Cycle is nothing but this is one type of cycle. Nothing but if any project want to develop in a company's any project. Okay, if they want to develop the particular project means they have to follow some life cycle, right? Okay, this is nothing but development life cycle, not a testing life cycle. Okay, means in this what you are going to do means the things which is already we discussed about that already. That's why I'm not concentrating much more on this. Okay, because in the first session we have already discussed of this, right? Gathering requirements and all those things. Also we discussed about V model. Okay? Verification and validation, nothing but V model here. It's a one type of SDLC model. Okay, already we have discussed all those things, but you have to know, you have to get an idea regarding that. Okay, I will give you phase by phase what all the phases will have exactly. Okay, first one is gathering requirements. Okay, this is the first phase of the things. Okay, here the thing which who is going to take care about these particular gathering requirements means BA, business analyst. Okay, and after that what are the outcomes of this particular phase? Nothing but BRS. Okay, BRS will come into picture. Okay, after BRS depends. BRS is nothing but business requirement specification. Okay, business requirement specification means which is containing raw requirements of the customer. Okay, you understood, right? Raw requirements of the customer will be available under this particular BRS. Got it?
Yeah.
Next the phase is the second phase. Coming to the second phase, it's planning. Planning is the second phase. Okay, means in this planning what will be done means according to these particular documents and the things, they will plan it about the resources, how the project is going to means we have to schedule, how we are going to schedule, how many days it should take. Okay, means how many resources we have to recruit and in which way the particular project is going to, the roadmap. In simple words, what is the roadmap? Planning is nothing but roadmap to the particular project. Means how we are going to start this project, how we are going to close this project from starting day to the ending day, the schedules. Okay, means means if they will divide the particular project into modules and how much time it should take to complete that particular module. Okay, who is going to take care about that, who is going to review that, who is going to report it. Okay, who are the reporters, who are the developers, who are the testers. Okay, they will decide all those things in this particular planning.
Yeah.
Got it, right? In this planning, what is the things means who will take care about these particular planning means project manager or team manager or TL, depends upon the situation. Okay, any one of the particular designation will come into picture and he is taking the responsibility of that thing. Okay.
Yeah.
Means after completion of this particular BRS document, depends upon this BRS document, they will prepare SRS. Okay, SRS is nothing but software requirement specification. Okay, it is containing
Software requirement specification will be part of planning.
not like that, means one of the part of planning only. Okay, if you want to tell, it is a part of planning only, but depends upon the BRS and after the completion of the particular team discussion, they are going to decide what are how many resources, depends upon the resources, how many hardware and software resources needed. They are going to discuss about that. After finalizing that, they are going to plan it according to the document.
Okay.
software requirement specification. Okay, in this this document contains what it contains means exactly the software and hardware requirements for the project. Okay, according to that only they are going to plan it. According to that only they are going to recruit the people, how many people are needed and how many resources are needed. Depends upon the situation, the project complexity, they are going to decide the things. Okay, the next phase is design. Okay, in this design, what the documents will come into picture means HLD and LLD. LLD documents will come into picture. Okay, depends upon the SRS and BRS. They are going to decide that how we are going to means convert those documents into simplified way. Okay, these are the simplified documents. Okay, these will be designed by a system architect. Okay, he is going to design these documents. Right? Any doubts up here? You know that I already explained about high level document. HLD means high level document. LLD means low level document. Okay, in HLD means it's like one of the raw requirements only, means it's a high level language. They are writing in a English like language, and after that they will write in a technical format. Okay, means LLD is a further simplified document of HLD, which is having UML diagram by diagrammatical representation. In a simplified way, they are to design the document to understand by the developers and the testers. Okay, got it right? Okay, design. After completion of design, they will go for coding. Okay, you know that right? Who is going to do the coding? Coding part will be done by developers. Okay, here we are not going to get anything, right? Nothing but we are going to get the coding. That's it. You don't have any outcome from this particular phase. Okay, after that testing will come into picture. Next phase is testing. Who is going to do the testing means testers, right?
Yeah.
Testers. Here the thing is, first we are going to get the executable file, right? From the coding. After completion of coding, okay, we are going to get the executable file. Okay, they will convert that particular total project into the executable file. Okay, after executing that, okay, they will get the executable file. After getting the executable file, they are going to test the particular application.
Correct. Yes.
Testing will be done on that particular executable file, right?
Executable file. Yeah.
Next, means this executable file is nothing but the collection of individual programs, right? Which they are developing in.
Correct. Yes.
Okay, it's a collection of small programs. Okay, after testing that, delivery and maintenance. Next phase is delivery and maintenance will come into picture. Means in this production team will come into picture actually. Okay, here one team is there separately to done this thing, production support team. Okay, in this they will deliver this thing. Here what will be done means majorly user acceptance testing, UAT. Nothing but in simple way we are going to in the means business words, if you want to tell, this is nothing but sign off meeting. Okay, means after successful completion of UAT, they are going to sign off the project. Okay, if the sign off is completed, automatically the amount or the particular contract amount will be deposited into particular company's account.
Okay.
So these are the SDLC phases which we are having. Okay, means first they are going to gather the requirements. Okay, after gathering the requirements, they are going to plan it accordingly. After completion of the planning, they are going to design the particular documents. After designing that, depends upon the design only, they are going to code the particular project. After coding, we are going to get an executable file from the developers. After getting the executable file, we are going to test on the particular application. After testing that, we are going to, if we are going to get any particular defects, we are going to report it to the developer. It will be means nothing but bug life cycle. We are going to discuss that thing in further classes. Okay. After testing the particular application, means after successful execution of the particular test cases, we are going to deliver that particular application to the delivery and maintenance team. Their production support team will be there. They are going to test one more time end-to-end application. Okay. After testing that, they will confirm that if it is working fine, then they will discuss with the client and they will deliver the application. And they will get the sign-off meeting. They will get the sign-off for the project, and after that, the remaining amount, whatever it may be, okay, they will fund it to the particular company's account, and after that, the thing will be closed. Okay, means if it is a maintenance project, again the thing is will come into picture. It is again, if it is a maintenance project, they have to give the service to the people, right?
Correct. Yes.
Yes, that thing will be different. Okay, means depends upon that. If that is not a maintenance project, this thing will not come into picture. Okay, maintenance will not come into picture. Okay, if it is a small size application or if it is not a maintenance project, they are not going to concentrate on maintenance. Okay, just delivery will come into picture. Just they will simply test one time and they will deliver the application to the client.
Yeah.
These are the total SDLC.
In terms of a maintenance.
Sorry.
In terms of a maintenance part of SDLC, that will be depending on what kind of project we are taking on board, right?
It depends upon the client actually. That is means if it is a small size project or if it is a big size project, depends upon the client decision. If one just keep in mind one thing, if one bank is there, banking domain means most we have maintenance, right?
Yeah.
Means if the company deal means while they are developing, if the client is not sufficient or if the client is not satisfied with this work, what he will do? Simply he will change the company, right?
Yeah.
It depends upon the client mode. Okay, means if it is small application, while after completion of the particular thing, means he needs some maintenance. Means the company has given means good response to the client. He is satisfied with that. At that point of time, if he need any maintenance for small project also, he is going to give that contract to that same company if he is satisfied with that company.
Yeah, correct.
It means any situation we are not going to give any fixed definition or fixed thing in a real-time environment. The situations will be changed accordingly.
Correct. Yeah.
Like that only the agile process come into picture. There is no predefined process for agile team. Okay, company by company the process will be changed for agile methodology.
Yeah. I heard a lot about agile, but I guess later on we will talk about it, right?
Sorry.
I heard a lot of things about like agile process, agile methodology.
Yes.
But I guess later on.
Yes. In SDL's models, in today itself we are going to discuss about that.
Okay.